Hey you guys, I wanted to share another quick update with you. It's been roughly about 24 hours since I've had the dehumidifier running. It was cold last night, so normally I would have condensation on my windows. However, last night I did not get any, so it seems to be doing its job. I am going to show you how much water is in there. Give me a quick second. So, as you can see, we collected quite a bit of water within just a 24-hour period. So as of right now, I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this. I am going to run it for an entire week, and I will get back to you and let you know my full thoughts on how well it works. So until next time, I'll see you soon.